Hey, what is up guys? It's Game Master here, and I wanted to show you a quick little clip that appears at the start uh, of the menu. I gotta let it load because I just turned it on, but it's a nice little clip. I mean, kind of shows you a little bit about the game. But oh, here it goes.
The elders once said, time is a living, breathing thing. Powerful, beautiful, oftentimes cruel. It can humble the strongest army, shape mountains to its will, and turn entire oceans to dust. But time itself is not free from jeopardy. There are those who seek to control it, corrupt it, change it to suit their dark will. And if that ever happens, the universe will need a true hero to stop it. Are you ready?
And there you go. Pretty cool. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Bye.